What's your legit
Because
reason?
My back is, I literally have a bad back, and I actually can throw it up very easily.
Oh,
And so
okay.
I just gotta brace myself right or else. Yeah, I did that last week and it wasn't fun.
Makes sense. All right, did you guys get 43 here?
Yeah.
All right, 14.4, 16.4, yeah? This one's 5. Anybody kicking themselves for doing 5% of 100 and realizing it was 5? Shame on you. 10%, that's what, 9.8? So this is basically like your score of 86 gave you 43 points towards your final score. And 15% of that, you got 14.4 points here. So if we add all of these up, this will be your final score. 88.6. If you add those all up. So 88.6 is what, a B plus? That's what we expected, right? We expected like a high B plus, maybe a low A minus, okay? So make sure that it is something that you expect. Now, the official thing here is X bar. This means mean, so everybody write it down. That means a mean, and it is literally pronounced X bar. With an X with a line over it means it's called X bar, which is so stupid, but that's what it's called. So here's the formula for it. You take a summation of all of the X times W's, and then you divide by the summation of your W's. So this means I'm going to add up all of my X times W's, because here's what that is, right? These are all the X times W's, and we added them up. But we didn't have to divide by anything this time, because 88.6 divided by 1 is still 88.6. But occasionally you'll have a situation where instead of figuring out the weights by percentages, they'll be like, 3 goes here, 4 there, and they'll like actually have that kind of stuff. Like one way that they do that is if they're talking about like in college, you know how you can take certain credits are worth more than others. So if you're trying to find out your grade point average for college, some classes are worth like 5 credits and some are worth like 1 credit. And so if you get an A in a 5 credit class, that is worth more than getting an A in a 1 credit class. Do you guys know how they decide how many credits a class is? It is only based on one thing, surprisingly.
Final?
Nope. You would think how hard the class is, right? Not at all. It's only time. How much time goes into the class. So if your class meets 5 days a week, 5 credits. If your class meets 3 days a week, 3 credits. That's how a college could set it up. They might set it up other ways, but it is always based on the amount of time that you're putting into that class, not how difficult the class is. So if it's a class you only go to 1 day a week, and it is calculus, and the other one is band, they are still both 1 credit, if it's 1 day a week. And I'm just picking one of my hardest classes in college and one of my easiest classes in college because I took band for 7. I was in the UW band for 7 semesters in college. It's really fun. Anyway, all right. The last thing, you know what? We're going to do distributions on a different date. So, Paige, we're adding this to yesterday's assignment, the mean, median mode, right? Was what? What was it before? Page 75, numbers 17 and 18, correct? That was not at all. What? Not even a bit. 22, 23. Thank you. 22, 23. And then let's add in (41) and 43. I want you to sit with your Post-it partner for this and to work on these together. Go to it. Yes. Sure. sure you work together, don't just sit in silence and work near each other. Talk to each other.
Look, Trent already did this when we were not working.
Okay, so you're saying that, what do you, sorry, what?
Never mind.
Okay.
Okay. So before you want this, pretty much all you could do is, since you're.
Gotta work it again, Colin. You can keep the one you have right now, but tomorrow should give you.
The pretty thing you do is just multiply the number times the first sentence.